Welcome back. In this video, you'll be learning how to pair or how to connect your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds to your smart TV. So for this video, I'll be using the Samsung Smart TV, but these instructions will apply to any other TV that you're using. So the first step is to navigate to Settings. And then once you're in your Settings menu, you want to go to your Bluetooth settings. So for me, that's going to Connection and then Bluetooth devices. Once you're in your Bluetooth settings, you then want to put your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds in pairing mode. So to do this, you want to just open the case of the buds, and then at the very back, you want to long press on a button next to the charging case to put them in pairing mode. So you'll see the LED light blinking as it confirms that it's in pairing mode. So long press on the button. And then once it starts blinking, let go of the button. Once you've put your Aerofit 2 earbuds in pairing mode, you then want to go back to the Bluetooth settings on your TV, and you want to scroll down until you find your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So select them to start the pairing process, and then agree and continue to confirm that you wish to pair. Once you've done that, you should see connected, and you'll even see the volume rocker briefly appearing on your screen, showing that the earbuds have been successfully connected. So now you can go ahead and close the Bluetooth settings of your smart TV, and you can now start using the earbuds to listen to any audio that's coming from your TV. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.